Hey guys, it's your boy Keys, guys. This will be a quick one. We've talked about Nbox airdrop already, the NFT airdrop. So you want to check out our last video. You can check out our last video. We're going to focus on Age of Gods. So lots of airdrops have ended already on CMC. So you want to look out for latest ones, upcoming ones. But as of recording, there are no other upcoming ones. But you want to check from time to time. Also, make sure you subscribe so you get notified whenever we drop updates. Now, there are lots of airdrops. Some of these projects that made lots of 10x 1000x, they started as airdrops, so you want to use this period also and check out some reasonable project, because these airdrops eventually are just a way for them to create awareness. There are most people that don't know about the project. So I remember Rich Quack did airdrop last some time back, and before he knew it, made lots of people money. So guys, first steps: Age of Gods, AOG, 14,000 people on their watch list, ranked at 1,238 out of 21,093 cryptocurrencies on CMC, listed on CMC. This is the current price as of recording. Basic information. It has been audited by CETIC. These infos are for people that want to invest though, so you want to check out community and basic information. But first of all, add it to your watch list. Make sure you're logged in. This is my account. Make sure to follow us on CMC too, Coinmarketcap, and search us on Akahilz too, guys. Our total amount of airdrop is about 624,000 AOG tokens. And if you are to calculate it, it's going to be worth about $20,000, which is very, very massive. Now, number of winners are 5,000 users. Now, these are the steps. Add it to your watch list. Follow them on their profile. So I'm going to open this. There's a profile where where you're supposed to follow them. Then there's also the subscribe link for them. Then there's also the followers on Twitter. Okay, so you follow them on Twitter and on Telegram too. So some of these tasks are optional. You can do them later. Some of them are very compulsory, but you can just click on here directly and you can see the ones we've done already. Follow them on Twitter account. I'm going to just go over to the this is it. So we'll follow them. Following them now, you can like any of the posts. You can also check out what's happening on the community here. Now, since we've done that, I'm going to click here and refresh it again. Okay, showing done now already. Now we've copied our BEP 20 wallet address. Just click on it. I've pasted it here, so you can use the one for Binance or Trust Wallet or MetaMask, whichever one you want to use. But preferably, most people will want to use decentralized exchanges. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Now make sure you select all these and just click on join airdrop. Now the cool thing here is that once you've done all this, you are eligible like this already, so you're good to go. So click on join airdrop and automatically you successfully participated in this airdrop. Now the selection are usually randomly selected. So that's it, guys. That's the main tip. So for subsequent tips, you want to subscribe to the official group chat, I think, where you could get information about what's happening in the project. I'm just going to turn notification there so I can get updates. Now also, if you also want to check out this project in the long run, you also want to check it out and also turn on notification. Now this is the Telegram group. You can join up the Telegram group, and that's it, guys. Peace out, it's your boy Keys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, guys. We want to get up to 2,000 followers before the end of the month, before the end of next month, guys. Before the end of the year, we should be at 5,000 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers or more. So guys, make sure you share this video. There are lots of airdrops already. I've not been able to share most of them out on social media. So guys, if you come across any of them, just share it to your official airdrop groups and more. Peace out, guys. Your boy Keys.